Hi, I will be talking about the article Our Children, Our Workforce, Why We Must Talk About Race and Racism in Early Childhood. Overall, I thought this article was really great. I gave it a 10 out of 10. And the reason why is because it brought so many issues to light to me, just as how racism exists in early childhood. Many think that racism wouldn't be found in early childhood just because we are dealing with children, but in the fact I was able to realize that that's not true, that this system that we are basing our standards and expectations of children is mainly modified to help the whites and white children and white cultural dominance of the education system we uphold, where I started questioning, why do we hold these standards? Who is it going to benefit more? Is it going to benefit children of color, or is it going to benefit the white community? This article makes it clear that we need to talk about race and racism in early childhood education, and it has brought to my attention that being quiet is not the best option at times. We need to learn when silent is an option and the right thing to do. And in this case, it's not, because it can actually cause way more harm not talking about these problems we have in our education system. And I think it's rooted within us in our society to not talk about what makes us uncomfortable or really question it. And I feel that's because we have been taught that the white system has oppressed many people to listen to them and hear what they have to say and not really care what we say. By we, I mean people of color or who look different from them. And the reason for that is because this can be clearly seen during an example that they gave here was during a time where they did readings. Many people are taught to listen to a teacher and ask questions after they are done talking. And there was this case where a teacher would ask questions while reading, and she was told that it's too loud, it won't let children think or concentrate. But the thing is that she never took into consideration of different cultures and how they learn, and what's the best possible way for children that are different to learn. Not everybody is going to be able to learn by their standards and their needs. It's based on what is going to be able to help overall. And I want to mention a quote that really stood out to me so much was, I'm so sorry, was, we especially as white people have been socialized to have a deep discomfort in talking about racism, but we must remember our comfort in this situation is less important than the pain and damage that racism is causing it.